What's up, guys? I wanted to share this quick video about a free tool that has helped make my life easier. The tool is called Kelir, or pronounced Kelir. Sounds a little French. I think they were getting a little cute with the spelling. Uniquely spelled Kelir. It's a color picker to match any color on your screen. I love using tools that streamline my workflow when designing emails, landing pages, writing ad copy, or dabbling with some graphic design for myself or clients. It's useful to use for a company's branding colors for call to action buttons, ad copy, images, and landing page elements when picking out your shades of the rainbow. This helps the user who views your creative content on ads, emails, landing pages, etc. trust the brand they're checking out, enhancing their experience. Don't get carried away with design to the point where you're wasting days trying to perfect every little detail, but it's a quick and easy way to match up colors, letting viewers know they've landed in the right place. You can download Kelir for free online for Mac users on the App Store. Kelir Pick or just Kelir Picker are options for you Windows PC users as well that work the same. Links are down below in the description. No more Googling color code for X. I can't tell you how many times I used to do that. Or even worse, sitting there messing with the RFB, hex, gradient score, palette number, or whatever other overcomplicating color terminology they like to use. It's easy, quick, and simple. Click the little eyedropper thingamabobber. It kind of looks like a little mini turkey baster. And click on the color you want to match. Boom. That's it. Gives you the color code you can copy and paste to your heart's content. And I think it even saves colors you've matched in the past. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out all of our free content in our units section of this group under YMD Video Vault free content. I'll see you guys and gals in the next video. Thanks for watching.